Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I promised to record one video talking about the content I make and how I make it and what do I use and to from start to finish, right? So this is my channel. As you've seen, these are the content that I create. And recently I've made few videos. If you see my last two videos, I've been denied for being monetized, and it has a lot of emotions to it, right? When you apply for it and you deny, you get to kind of trying to understand what happened, right? So really, a lot of people think what happened is that you're not making right content, so that YouTube will deny you for that, for reusing somebody else's content. And as you can kind of see, I did not really stop, right? So I went ahead and start making content that belongs to me, right? So really making this type of content and showing my failures and and telling YouTube that I'm learning from it. There's so many video up there that will tell you to do it differently. I suggest that you don't, and just use your judgment. And if you're on the other side, how would you feel, right? So and this type of content that I make, kind of these last two, when I start my monetization still was denied. That's when I start making content where I'm showing my face and putting my voice on my videos, and also showing my face and telling YouTube that I'm very ready to get there. So as you can kind of see, my content, my application has been denied, and I have appeal to start, and then I can get to that later, right? But right now, what I want to show you is how I kind of put my content together, right? So if you kind of look at my content, you see some of the videos, right, that I make for YouTube, like this type of videos and things that I make for YouTube. If I play
YouTube,
right now,
hey,
you kind of
thanks
see
for really
that's the
watching this
newest video. But then again, if you go like I go a little bit one more behind, and then you can kind of see my channel, and like this video I used to make, right? These videos I used to make, like these very nice oceans motivations and videos. See, this video I don't really put my face and my voice on it, but it's still doing really good, right? So you can kind of see the views, still doing really good, but YouTube won't let you monetize these things. A lot of people will say YouTube will, but I don't recommend it, right? So that's the reason why I went ahead and start making videos where like my face and my voice. So let me just go quickly because I don't want this video to be long. So the first thing I do is I go to pesos. Sorry, I go to pesos, and I search for videos. Search for videos content right here, and it's coming up. And like these videos, for instance, I can, I think it's a nice videos. I can click on it, and watch it for a few seconds. See, it's a young lady's going to a nice speech. So I would download it. There's a free download here. You download it, and when you download it, it gets downloaded. It's free. It's free content, and I can even download it. I'm not gonna use it right now. But see, it's downloading right now. You can kind of see here. It went there for me, and it's downloading. So the next thing I do is I go to Canvas. So I use Canvas. So a lot of people you have recommended Canvas to me. So I have the premium version of Canvas. So I've been using a Canvas for a long time. So in my last, see this video that I made just right now, like recently, I made it through with Canvas. Right, so and this is how I edit my video in Canvas. So I'll go ahead and upload the video you can kind of see all the video that I downloaded. And this video that I made myself, right now as I'm speaking to you, I upload it to Canvas, and I just drag it and drop here. And then I create a new get a plus here, and create a new video right there, the 1920 by 1080p, and then you're gonna have a new window. So I'm not gonna walk you through Canvas today. I'll do a video, I'll cover a video for that. And then in Canvas, what I like to do is I like to kind of do this intro and outro. I do this myself, right? As you can kind of see, I did the background myself, and I did everything that you've seen by myself. So this is kind of like my channel logo, and really showing what my channel name. And then you can kind of see I use transitions as well. So you can kind of see these transitions that I use, and I can change transition and so on. And again, I have the premium version, so I can really use the premium transitions. And it plays really nicely. So let me go ahead and play it for you. See, that's kind of the intro and intro fade away, and then you start seeing the coming. Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel again. I am Winner, and I'm here to really so I will do it about and then where I need music, like here I use YouTube audio library music. It's free of use. It's for YouTube, so it's easy for YouTube to recognize that you're using that. I also give credit to the video, and I'll show you later how I give credit to these videos. And I use YouTube video for this kind of video, music audio. For this kind of like audio, what I do is I listen to it. If I like it, I really pick the part that I really like to be like an intro type of video, and then I bring it here, right? So if I go all the way here, you can kind of see an outro video too that I cut from the same audio, right? Another audio that I cut, and then I put it on my thank you for watching, right? So this is how I make my video, and a lot of videos that I make are all made this way, right? From YouTube, I make content like this, and I go there, I put together some intros, some thumbnails, and then I upload it to YouTube, and then you download it. See, this one was eight minutes. This latest one that I just made is about 11 minutes, talking about how to appeal or reapply for monetizations, and then you can easily download this. Download it, and if you click download, it will bring all. See, I have 4 pages. I have the intro of my video. I didn't cut this video so much, and I have my outro. Right? And that's how so easy, 4 pages. And then if you click download, it will download it in MP4, and then you can upload it to YouTube, right? So you can upload it to YouTube. Uploading it to YouTube, it's pretty straightforward. I can also do a video for that, but the way I think I do it, and giving credit, even if you get the audio from YouTube, you still have to give credit, right? So if I go to this video, for instance, I'll let the video play, but
hello YouTube. Hey, thanks for really watching this video. If you are here and you got denied, unfortunately you have been rejected because you have applied for your channel to be monetized in
intro and the outro. So it's important to know that the content doesn't belong to you. It belongs to you.
Hey, thanks for really watching my this video, and I really want to talk to you about you.
And that's all part of the monetization process, right? So you're using somebody else's content and you want to monetize on top of it. YouTube won't let you to do that. So that's the reason why, beside that, you have to make sure that YouTube knows who you are, and understand how you're making your content, like I am showing you right now how I'm making my content. I think it makes sense to me. So I don't get to think about it that much. So that's all I want to show you today. If you like what I do, if you like my videos, and if you like the way I'm approaching this, because this is a really big topic, right? A lot of people like to kind of monetize their channel, and if they get rejected, they feel sad, and I've seen people even give up, right? I don't want to give up, so that's the reason I'm making this video for you, for you, so you can kind of see you can still, be denied for being monetized and continuously making videos for YouTube, and see I have my appeal all the way till another 10 days, and I can re-appeal it with YouTube, telling YouTube what I do and go through the appeal process. So don't freak out when you are in these situations. Follow what I'm telling you is the right thing to do. I don't see why I should say differently or lie to you, I would say. So do put the content that are right there for you, that you are part of it and you spend some time and you do it yourself, and not to kind of get other people. And if you end up using the free stuff, like I use YouTube audio free stuff, try to give the person the credit, or YouTube will automatically also do it for you. So if you like what I do, subscribe to my video and like my video. Thank you for watching. I really, really, really appreciate you. Thanks.